Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two really quick tutorials because I'm still really sick, guys. So I just wanted to be able to give you something even though this is not what I had planned for today. So before we get into the tutorial, for those of you who are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Check out my movie review channel as well as my vlog channel. And make sure you're following me on Instagram because that's where I will post updates and anything else going on in my life that I choose to share. So let's get into the video. Okay, so for this first craft, we are going to be turning this into a like kind of decorative glass for Valentine's Day. So I have two hearts here. As you can see, I'm going to stick these hearts, and yes, these are the same hearts that we've been using for the last few tutorials. So just kind of want to put these in. This is a candle I already had lit, of course, but I couldn't find any of my other ones. So what I'm going to do, those are going to be open. Those are not going to have glitter on them. And I have gold because I used all my red for Christmas, guys. I need to re-up on my craft items. Okay, so we have one heart on this side, one heart on this side. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get into this glue. And I am using Mod Podge. It's just the kind of glue I like to use for these projects. Okay, so I poured a little bit of my Mod Podge right here. Don't worry about that part over there. I don't know what happened. I guess it's because I haven't used it in so long. So what I'm going to do is get the glue all around the areas where I want the glitter to go. And I'm not going to get it on the hearts because that will defeat the purpose of me putting the hearts there. So I'm going to just use the tip of this kind of brush. Just kind of spread it around the heart first. Try not to get it too much on the stencil. I'm using this heart as a stencil and I want it all around the rim. So I'm going to do one side at a time just to make it easier for me. But you want a good heaping helping of this stuff on there. Okay, so like I was saying, it has 3 holes to make it easier for it to spread out. So I'm just shaking the glitter over the parts that I glued. Making sure I'm having every angle covered. So I'm going to tap to get any excess off. And of course, once this dries, oh come on, I will get it out of the candle. So I'm gonna let this side sit for a bit. So this is what it looks like so far, and then once that dries, I'll go ahead and put glue on the other side. So right now I have the candle upside down. I did wind up putting the other glue on before it dried on the other side, but what I'm doing right now is just kind of flopping this glitter to make sure it's getting all around the bottom and just tapping on the bottom of it to get the glitter that went inside with the candle. So I'm gonna let this sit here and dry. We'll take the heart stickers off once it's dry, and then we will work on our second project. I have this little cone. You guys may recognize it for some projects that I did over Christmas, but they also work for other things. So I have this red rope like stuff and my hot glue gun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this rope all the way around the cylinder, and I'm going to decorate it with hearts for Valentine's Day. So I'm assuming some of you would probably use regular glue. Like I said, for tutorial purposes, I'm using hot glue just because it dries faster. and regular glue is just so messy sometimes. So yeah, we're just gonna wrap this all the way around. This is a little time consuming, but if you're a little stressed out, this will definitely help ease some of that stress. Just gonna have patience because it is going to take a little bit of time. Now, if you're anything like me, it's going to take longer if you want it to be as perfect as possible. And just keep going around. Now, you can either choose to cut it and then go around, or do like I do and just go up and then keep going around and around and around. Okay everyone, so as you can see here, I have this halfway done. This is all the red rope that I had, so I am going to have to finish it off with this rope. It's two different sizes, so I don't know how it's going to look, but like I said, all I did was just started wrapping. I put the hot glue around it like so, and then just started wrapping it around. Be careful guys, because I burned up my finger 3 times and it hurts so bad because of this hot glue. So I just kind of went around like this and just grabbed it and pulled it and kept doing this all the way around. Okay everyone, so this is what it turned out to be. It's not so bad, and I went all the way up to the top. I just put more hot glue and just kept on wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until it covered the top. I do have some areas, there are some spaces, I don't know if you can see that, but that's okay, because like I said, we're going to decorate it with some hearts, and these are the same hearts that I used on the other projects. These are the ones that actually need to be glued on because they don't have the sticky back. Kind of want to just put one like sitting on top like that. Hopefully I can get it to stay. Just put a lot of hot glue right there. I think that should do it. Just kind of stick it. Maybe something. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and place a whole lot of hearts around it everywhere. Big ones, little ones, just different shapes and sizes to make it look nice. And I'm not gonna try to make this too perfect. Okay guys, so there we have it. We have our cute little Valentine's Day decoration. I don't know quite what to call it just yet, but this is really easy. Like I said, I used some red like nylon rope here and this ribbon, golden white ribbon that I purchased not too long ago. We used it for some other crafts. And then we have our decorative candle glass. It has a heart on one side and a heart on the other side. If you want to make sure your glitter doesn't come off of your glass, is just to put some glue on top. Probably leave the stencil on until you're done, just to kind of go over it with the glue so it kind of stays. That's normally what I do. I didn't do that this time, but it still turned out really, really nice. I like both of these pieces and they can go anywhere in the house. So thank you for watching, guys. Sorry it's such a short tutorial today, but like I said, I've been really sick. If you've been following my Instagram all weekend, you know I've pretty much been sick all weekend and I'm still feeling quite sick today. So I am glad that I did it because I don't want to leave you guys hanging. I will try my best to do the tutorial that I want to do on Thursday. If I can't, we will be sure to do another quick Valentine's Day decor or something to those lines. So thank you, everyone. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Remember, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn the notification bell on so you get notified every time I upload. All of my social media is down below, as well as the links to both my websites and the link to purchase my book, along with some other links that I have down there. Those are all in the description. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know if you like these kind of things and I'll keep on doing them, guys. And until next time, bye.